Dante, fourth year student, software technology. Today I want to share my thoughts about the topic success and failure. These two things that I experience have a big part in my life. Success and failure. Intertwined threads in the rich tapestry of life, they not opposing forces but rather two sides of the same coin, each shaping and informing the other. Success brings joy and validation, often fueling further ambition. Failure provides invaluable lessons and resilience. True success isn't slowly defined by achieving goal, but by the growth and learning derived from both triumphs and setbacks. Success isn't a destination, it's a stepping stone, a launchpad for future endeavors. Failure forces us to confront our weaknesses, to analyze our mistakes, and to adapt our strategies. It is teaches resilience and ability to bounce back from setbacks and emerge stronger. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a crucial ingredient in this recipe. It is the fertile ground from which new ideas and innovative solutions sprout. Between success and failure is a continuous cycle, a rhythm that shapes our character and defines our journey. It is the spaces between these two poles that we truly discover ourselves, our capabilities, and our limits. Embracing both learning from both allows us to navigate the complexities of life with greater wisdom and grace.